Hi, my name is Grace and welcome back to Design Made Easy. In this episode, I'll show you how to create a focal point and make a statement in your space. Step to create a focal point is by bringing in artwork. Artwork or a large piece of artwork or a gallery wall is the quickest way to create a focal point. Artwork draws one's eye when you walk into a particular space, and that's why it's one of the recommended ways to create a focal point. However, creating a gallery wall could be tricky to set it up and have it correctly, designed. To do that, you can start by centering artwork above a piece of furniture and then bringing in other pieces of artwork to create your gallery wall, working around that first piece that is centered above your piece of furniture. The second tip to create a focal point is by bringing in mirrors. Mirrors are strategic pieces and they are not only decorative, functional, but they also help to open up a space, making it feel brighter and open. However, when you're thinking of bringing in a mirror as a focal point with the aim of making that a focal point, think about its frame and its sizes. This will help you choose the good and the best pieces of mirrors to create a focal point for your space. The next tip to create a focal point is by bringing in a light fixture. Bring in a fabulous light fixture that commands attention when one walks into that particular space. However, when you're using a light fixture to create a focal point, it needs to be large and stand out in that particular space. The next tip is to create an accent wall. An accent wall is the most effective way to create a focal point, be it in your living room or even your dining room or your bedroom. You can do that by painting one of the walls in your living room a bolder color or a different color, or by rather having wallpaper on one of your walls in your living room or any other space that you want to use an accent wall to create a focal point. To create a focal point is by just having your TV above a credenza or wrapping it around a bookcase or having it on top of a cabinet. That's an easy way, and I believe the most simplest way out of all the ways that I've tackled in this video to create a focal point in any room. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then in my next video or episode. But for now, you can check out our description box and check out our other interior design videos.